Action.
Hey guys, we're in Prince George's County, Maryland today, checking out the old Glendale Hospital, and it looks like we got here just in time because, as you can see, zoning sign. That means it might not be around for long. So let's check it out. Decay's headed your way. Guys, when you're with Tom, sometimes you're on the highway and sometimes you're in the wood. You got to do what you got to do to get to these abandonments.
Guys, I'm using Jack's camera for the uncut. Here we go. But I don't have the light. Is this the courtroom? That's the courtroom. Almost at the top, guys. Look how that's a little different. Look. Get a job.
These walls, the way they're coming down with those blocks reminds me of the mirror inside, kind of.
That's okay. That's the nice version.
I would like to know, we talked about the elevator motors, but it seems like so many of the old buildings we've been in had this panel.
Action. You don't have to say anything. Hey guys, I probably already showed you Kings Park up in Kings Park, New York, and we showed you the morgue. Now guys, this place has been abandoned probably, I want to say longer, but I don't know for sure. But I can say this is at a different stage of decay. Much more, what is the word, the D word, the more
Dilapidated?
Dilapidated. And I want to notice this too. This door is gash wide open. Lots of times these teenagers and whoever wants to see this stuff, this is what they want to see the most, the morgue. Because they're coming up with ghost stories and stuff that's spooky and they're like entertaining themselves. So I guarantee you this place was probably broken into more. All these places start out well boarded, security, and sometimes the city and county governments, they look at the budget and they say, we just can't squeeze out any more money for this security. And finally they let things go. Now, there's security in this area, but we're just eluding it right now because Decay is headed your way. I'm just kidding. All right, let's go. Guys, it's raining, so we're trying to get the footage that you deserve from the truck. This is the power house, the power building. I wonder what the... Was this coal? We would be walking these if it wasn't raining. Look, that board came off.
There's a wild turkey in there.
Won't find one of them in Tom's River.
Look, the roof collapsed on that building. That's the one at the road. Can't see that because you don't. And we want to thank Bert's dad right now for taking us back here.
See the turkey?
Don't supposed to be back on this little road. Oh, I do see the turkey.
Now they can't see me from that trailer, can they?
I don't know. But now we'll know if we want to come back here or not, you know. Which that looks similar to something we've done already, you know. Oh, you gonna turn around?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Wow, that's really...
Guys, I don't know if you're watching this in HD right now. This is Jack's camera. Jack is back. Guys, you never know what you're gonna see on the uncut. This fella right here is a Decay fan. He watched YouTube. This is his second trip. Guys, we're in his local area and we're stopping for lunch. Look what he did for us. I mean, this is a whole cooler full of... I can't reach back there. Can you show one of everything, Don? Look at this. You got...
I'll take that.
Teas. Don, show a few things in that cooler.
Oh, all right.
You got sandwiches. You got different kind of chips. Come on, Don. Just show real quick.
Yeah, all right.
What you got, buddy? Guys,
It's granola.
yeah. And guys, that's just because...
And drinks, tea.
That's because he went on this first trip. He enjoyed our company, and he likes the channel. And you know, you do nice things for people, and they'll do them right back for you most of the time. Thanks, Jack.
No problem.
Yeah, and
I've tried to instill these values in Bert, but what can I say?
Guys, you never know what you're gonna hear from the uncut.
Now here we are and headed down towards DC, and it never fails. We don't use our turn signals in Baltimore. Well, I do. Most don't use them because they got that stupid phone in their hand. Driving has become secondary. The phone is the priority.
Right, you got a text.
Right.
But there's nothing important going on in the text. They're just saying, what you do last night?
Right.
Nud.
Exactly. Exactly. Yep. And this one's on the phone in front of us. You can tell. Hitting the brakes, stop and go.
You never know what you're gonna see or hear. Thanks for watching the uncut.
The best dog toy there is. Best dog toy there is.